In this video, I am going to show you after reset your phone how you can log into your Facebook account. When we reset our phone, everything will delete from our phone, including our social media accounts and other accounts also. Today, I will show you after resetting your phone how you can log into your Facebook account as well as Facebook Messenger account. After resetting your phone, you need to install the Facebook app again. Let's tap it on. If you save your login information to your Facebook app and you are using the same phone, then you will get some advantage to logging your account. It will automatically show your login information. Then tap on login. In my case, I'm logging here. You can see now we are logged into our Facebook. Then go to the Facebook Messenger app, and here you will also find the Save Login Information option. Facebook will save the login info for you, so you won't need to enter it next time you log in. Tap Save again and set up the settings, turn on notification. Now we have logged into our Facebook account and also logging in our Messenger app. Now I will show you method 2. If you don't save your login information to this app, then how you will log into your Facebook account? If you reset your phone and you don't save any login information to the Facebook app on your device, then you need to manually log into your account. There you need to type your mobile number or email address and then password to log into your Facebook account after resetting your phone. I have input my Facebook login information and now I will tap login. Here you need to check the notification on your another device that Facebook will send you a prompt to check that if it is you or not. Go to the another device where your Facebook account is logged in. It may be your laptop, desktop, or another phone. If you don't log into any device, then you can try another way. What is WhatsApp code? If you select WhatsApp, then Facebook will send you a code in your WhatsApp account. And then you can one more thing you can do is authentication app. Get a code from the app you set up. I think you should go with what is easy to you. I have approved the login and here you will see login approval has been done and save your login info. Save our login info and that's it. We are now in our Facebook account and it's installed. Tap on open. Here you will see it's automatically going to log in. You just need to save the login information. And if you have set a pin to sync your chat history, then type the pin or you can skip this also. I have input the pin and now we are in Facebook Messenger also. Turn all the notification on. By this way you can log into your Facebook and Facebook Messenger app after resetting your phone. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. Subscribe the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.